Hey guys, it's Lawrence with NuWave. I'm excited to show you what we're up to now. We've got an outdoor project that we're so excited about. Come check it out with me. 2 months ago, our client called us and they had a vision. If you could see this beautiful backyard, it's got a bar, it's got an outdoor kitchen, it's got a fire pit. He said, you know what? I need some audio. I want to have some music. I like to spend a lot of time out here. I really like to entertain. So let me show you what we came up with. We've got 6 zones of audio. Each individual area can play music separately, or they can play it all together. All right, so we wanted to have a nice balanced sound for each area. We installed satellite speakers. These are outdoor speakers for this area. We've also got a subwoofer. Not sure if you've ever seen an outdoor subwoofer, but this speaker adds bass to the system. We duplicated the same thing on this side. So you've got your speaker here. We've got another subwoofer over here. And then we've got a speaker in the corner. So from anywhere in this area, you're gonna get a nice balanced sound. Okay, so for the fire pit, the whole idea was we're envisioning how the client is gonna be using the space. So we're thinking, you know, maybe late at night, they've got the fire pit, maybe drinking some wine. You know, they're still having conversations. So we used some bigger speakers for this area. We put 4 speakers around, and this also has a subwoofer here. We love adding bass to the system. It just completes the whole sound for us. So this is the outdoor kitchen. We placed 2 speakers in the corners over here. The client wanted to have a TV, so we've got a connection here for the TV. So whenever they want to watch TV, they can watch TV, but also the TV sound can play throughout the speakers. Over here at the bar, we've added 2 speakers. There's also a TV here. So on this TV, the TV can also play throughout the speakers if they wanted it to. So just imagine a big game. You've got the TV on, and sound is fully encompassing the area. So the client can enjoy that and their guests. All right, so over here we have our cigar lounge. We've got 2 speakers in the corner. We've got another subwoofer. There's also another TV connection here. We've also added outdoor Wi-Fi. All of the wiring for the system was done underground, right? So we dug trenches and we routed all of this wire comes into a box. We've also run power out over to the theater. I'll show you that next. This is the outdoor theater. And so we've installed an electrical box. And then whenever the client wants to, maybe late at night, they can bring a projector out here, and we've got a connection for them to use. And this connection allows what's playing on the projector to come through the speakers. Our speakers are actually behind this screen. And so we did that so that they don't necessarily have to see the speakers, but they can still hear it. Okay, so from this app, we've got all the audio zones here, so we can adjust them individually. All right, so what we did, we also tied this into the home system. So as you can see, they've got speakers in the kitchen, speakers in the living room. So it's all on one app. All right, so all music for the entire home is controlled from a single app. So what we're looking at here is an equipment rack. So we centralized all of the equipment. In here lives the amplifier. We also ran a network connection so that all of the equipment lives on the network. We've got a Sonos system here that for every individual zone, right? The advantage of having everything centralized is you have one point to service everything, right? It keeps everything nice and consolidated. Got your network here, you've got your audio equipment, you've got power. Everything is managed from one area. The other thing is that you don't want to put equipment outside in the elements, right? So we picked the garage, it's out of the way, and it's nice and easy to service. So all of this ties in, it's neatly organized, and you can just close this in and it's done. So if you're interested in doing something just a little out of the ordinary, give us a call and we'll be happy to sit down with you and design a system that's custom just for you.